How did the fisher get all of the fish for the market? They used a good reel. I just made a joke up by myself, can you tell? Hi, I'm Morgan, digital marketing professional at LYFE Marketing, and excited to teach you how to use Reels to find more people for your business. In the last 30 days, Reels helped us increase our reach by 45,000, and most of those weren't followers. Our tests keep proving that the newest features and apps are usually the most effective and perform best. Reel ads are a super fun addition that Instagram has been putting a lot of energy toward. Today, we're going to learn what Reel ads are and how they work in the app, why Reel ads are worth it for your business, why Reel ads might be cheaper than other types of ads, ideas for Reel ads that you can run, plus I'll share a Reel ad design video to help you out. Let's get into it. What are Reel ads? Reels are Instagram's answer to TikTok's popularity, and they've specifically created the Reel algorithm to mimic the TikTok algorithm, meaning videos are much more discoverable on Reels than anywhere else on Instagram. According to Instagram, Reels is the best place on Instagram to reach people who don't follow you in a growing global stage where brands and creators can be discovered by anyone. These ads will help businesses reach greater audiences, allowing people to discover inspiring new content from brands and creators. Reel ads are a great alternative to TikTok if your audience isn't on the platform or you're just not ready for it yet. Now you may be wondering, where will I see my Reel ads in the app? Your Reel ads will be shown in between non-sponsored Reel content, much like in your story or feed ads. Your Reel ads will loop. Users can also comment, share, save, and like your ads. And your Reel ads will be marked sponsored like they are in other places. Now let's talk about where your Reel ads will be displayed. The first is in the Reels tab, accessible via the home screen. These play automatically, encouraging the viewers to keep watching. The second place is via Reels shared in Stories. These show up like a feed post shared to Stories as a preview that viewers must click to view. You can also find them on your Explore page and in your feed. Instagram has never made such a creator-friendly platform. It's much easier to get views and be discovered by new folks on Reels than it is by any other means on Instagram. Let's talk about why they're worth it for your small business. The Reels algorithm is built to favor new, engaging content from new creators. It's much more TikTok-esque in how it operates than the main feed or even the Stories feed algorithm. Currently, Instagram Reels ads are far less competitive and much less expensive than other ad placements on Instagram. You should A/B test this for your business and see if it holds true though. If you've been using automated placements so far, here's how you can check the performance of each of your placements so that you can decide if Reels are working for you. Go to your Ads Manager and click Breakdown. Select Placement from the drop-down menu. Your columns will reset to show your campaign, ad set, or ads by placement or where they're showing. Compare your placements cost per result, ROI, etc. to decide if you should keep showing those ads or not. Now I mentioned that Reel ads could be cheaper for you. Let's talk a little bit more about that. It may cost you less for Reel ads than other placements because of the differences in audience behavior and intent. There aren't definitive numbers yet, but early anecdotal evidence from experimentation with our own Reels shows that we're reaching a lot of new folks organically. Now this is saving us money because we don't have to pay for advertisements. I recommend running an A/B test so that you can see if Reels placements are actually less expensive and work equal to or better than your other placements, like Stories or Feed. Then you'll know where to focus those paid efforts. One great thing about Reel ads is that they're less competitive. As I've mentioned a couple of times, it's much easier for your Reel to get a ton of views than it is for a post of yours or story of yours to go viral. Because the content is short form and plays automatically, viewers spend more time on Reels. This is an advantage to advertisers because there are going to be more places for your ads to show that are less disruptive to the Reel experience. Let me show you a couple of good Reel ads examples that I've found. Look at this one from BMW. It keeps your interest, fits the format nicely, uses original audio, and has just the right amount of hashtags. Here's another example from Netflix. In this one, they're looking to get you comfortable and relaxed, even inviting you to relax, only to throw in a jump scare. This full screen experience definitely elicits a reaction and piques your interest if you like horror movies. The description is short and sweet, and limited hashtags are used. Now that you understand Reel ads and have seen a couple of good examples, let me show you how to set up your ads in Facebook. You'll go to the Ads Manager on Facebook and click Create. Choose your advertising goal. For Reels, that will be brand awareness, reach, traffic, app installs, video views, or conversions. Fill out the ad campaign details. Make sure that you watch the audience definition and estimated daily results to the right to make sure that you're making the right choices. Choose Ad Placement. You'll select Manual Placement and go to the drop-down next to Stories. Choose Instagram Reels. Next, add a good call to action. Some examples include Shop Now, Read More, Sign Up, Click Here, whatever applies. Then you'll publish your ad as normal. Now before you run your ads, you need to make sure that you have your creative ready to go. You should use Reels from your phone to create your video. Since users are watching your reel on their phones, you don't need to stress about quality. They have a limited viewing screen. If you've got a newish iPhone or an Android phone that's pretty good quality, then your camera is probably just fine for recording. Here are some things that you should make sure that you do when you're creating your reels. Film in the right size and orientation. Write your copy, write your captions, choose your hashtags, choose your sound, and use the Reels editor to make it fit the content on the app. Let me show you around the Reel editor so that you know how to use it. But before I do that, here's a message from one of our co-founders. He's got some exciting news about our classes that you don't want to miss.
Hey, we just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. And after managing millions of dollars in ad spend for thousands of different small businesses, we have decided to give away everything we learned to you in a special program. If you want to learn the blueprint to success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, and all of the different tools you will need, then sign up for our social ads training program today.
Welcome back. Let's talk about the Reel editor and the tools that you can use during filming. First, we'll cover audio effects. You can choose a sound from Instagram's music library, or you can upload your own audio. If you upload your own audio, then other users can use it in their videos. Next, let's talk about AR effects. AR stands for augmented reality. This adds effects to your video. These effects are created by Instagram and users. And yes, you can create your own effects to help market your business, but that's a different topic for a different video if you're interested. Let me know in the comments. You also have timer and countdown options. You can record hands-free by pressing the record button. You'll see a 3-second countdown timer after that, and then you're going. You also have an align tool. If you're doing the more advanced reels and you need to line up your clips precisely, the align tool will be your best friend. It makes doing things like stop motion really simple. Now let's look at the speed tool. A lot of sounds require your video to line up on beat drops or drum hits or something else. You can speed up or slow down certain parts of your video clip to make sure that you hit that in the right spots. Then you also have access to these tools. Download to save your reel to your device, then you can share it elsewhere. Music, which is adding music to your reel after you filmed. Voiceover, where you can record a voiceover to add into your clip after filming. The effects that I talked about, you can also add after filming. There are stickers that you can use to enhance your reels. You can also draw on your reel like you can a story. And you can add text on screen and set the duration that your text appears. When you're ready to publish, you'll enter your caption, choose hashtags, crop your profile image, tag people, and mark partnership in advanced settings if that applies to you. If you're running ads for your own business, this won't apply. Click share when you're ready to publish, or save it as a draft if you're working ahead, which I recommend. After you've been using Reels, you need to make sure that you check Reel analytics to monitor performance. Reels' specific performance metrics include counts reached. This metric tells you how many unique Instagram users saw your reel at least one time. It also tells you plays. This is the number of times that your reel has been played. It could be higher than the number of accounts reached, since some users may watch your reel more than once. There's also normal things like likes, comments, shares, and saves. Those are all self-explanatory. Now, shares are the number of times Instagram users have shared your reel to their story or send it to another user. For more information on Reel ads, check out our video by Brandy on our channel, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our other upcoming content. Now that you know what Reel ads are, how to set them up, and what to look for, let's talk about some ideas for Reel ads that you can run. Sometimes coming up with the first idea is the hardest part, and I'm happy to do that with you, so let's dive into it. First, you can share educational content that's relevant to your target audience. Or you can showcase your products, services, or experience. Show your new products on the shelves, show unboxings, do room or building tours, do a service experience trailer that shows clips of your process paired with music. Share behind-the-scenes content, show a day in the life, a routine, or a process video. Announce sales or share offers. Draw the discount out of a bowl on camera so the user doesn't know what it is unless they watch the whole video. Show your creation process. If you're a maker or a craft-based business, this is especially helpful. But you could also do a twist, like do it ASMR style. Or you could wear a really funny costume. If you want to brainstorm more ideas with me in the comments, I love to do it, and I'd be happy to jump in. So drop a question in the comments if you need some help with ideas. So now that you're fully convinced and you know how to set everything up, you probably want to know how to design your Reel ads, right? Of course you do. But I'm not going to cover that in today's video. But Morgan, that's rude. Why would you leave us hanging? It's because I have something better. Our amazing designer, Jelly, recently made a video showing you how to design Reel ads. Check that out after this because that will be much more helpful than anything that I could have to say on the topic. If you found this video helpful, would you give it a thumbs up? I'd appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our next videos. Have you tried Reel ads? How have they worked for you? If you haven't, did this video inspire you to give it a shot? Let us know if you have any questions about the process and we'll help you out. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in an upcoming video. Happy marketing!